A 22-year-old engineering student from Shenzhen has stunned the world by setting a Guinness World Record with a homemade drone. Xu Yan, a student at a Chinese university, designed and built the Prowess, an ultra-light FPV, first-person view, MicroDrone that reached a staggering top speed of 340.78 km per hour, weighing just 247 grams. The achievement marks a new frontier in drone engineering. Built to stay under the 250 grams legal limit that avoids stricter aviation regulations, every component of the Prowess was meticulously optimized for speed, weight, and aerodynamic efficiency. The drone features a carbon fiber frame and custom 3D printed parts, including a hollow central capsule just 0.4 mm thick, designed to reduce drag and protect onboard electronics. Prowess's aerodynamic profile is highly symmetrical with a minimized cross-section, crucial at speeds exceeding 300 km per hour, where any asymmetry could cause turbulence or flow separation. The drone is powered by high-speed electric motors, paired with custom-designed propellers. These propellers were 3D printed by Xu himself and feature an angled profile that increases speed by up to 10% during descent, taking advantage of aerodynamics at a negative angle of attack. Before each flight, the battery is preheated to 40 degrees Celsius, reducing internal resistance and allowing maximum power output, an advanced technique common in professional drone racing but rare in personal builds. Flight stability is maintained through a modern autopilot system with fine-tuned control logic. Xu flies manually, assisted by real-time correction algorithms that maintain a consistent vector and suppress oscillations. This world record-breaking drone is more than a hobby project. It's a symbol of how scientific engineering, maker culture, and aerospace principles are merging. As major defense contractors explore small drone technologies, innovators like Xu Yan are proving that the future of flight can be built in a dorm room.